Hello! If you want to make ghee within 10-15 minutes, then see my video. I had collected 3 days. First 3 days I was collecting malai and I was keeping into the fridge refrigerator, and today I took it out and I churned it with the help of my hands, like with the palm, and gently I was just churning the whole malai, and you can see the malai जो है transformed into butter, which you can see on the top, right? Now as soon the malai transformed into butter, then butter you have to collect into the another bowl. Okay, you just take the butter को आप बाहर ले लीजिए, very slowly, carefully take it out and leave the rest. Leave the rest because the rest one is called chach. You can make the chach very spicy. You can add spice, yeah, and you can drink because the summer has been started already. So we need to drink chach, and very easily you can make it home. Though nowadays everything is क्या चुटकी में मिल जाता है, order and drink, so that is not good for health. That is the processed one, and this is ekdam fresh. You can have, when in my childhood I used to follow how my mother, she was making ghee, and how she was making buttermilk at home, and how she used to add little bit spices, so bachche can have very nicely, can enjoy. Nowadays the processed food, it's not that much tasty. Okay, so to impress your chote chote bachche, to your kids, you can apply this method, this technique. Make fresh ghee at home, make fresh buttermilk at home, especially on summer season. It is very easy. दूध का जो ऊपर का मलाई आप हर रोज़ निकाल कर फ्रिज में रख दीजिए, or let it be 10-15 days, and 10-15 days after you take it out, and the way I'm telling, you just follow the same, and you can see only 3 days. So this 3 days collected malai, how I am extracting the butter, you can see it's quite good amount of good amount of butter I'm collecting. So every 15 days, if you can make like this way, fresh ghee or fresh buttermilk, then हमारा जो हेल्थ है वो भी स्वस्थ रहेंगे, है ना. हम स्वस्थ अगर रहेंगे तो हमारे लिए फाइट करना डिजीज़ के, मतलब कोई भी हमारे शरीर में ऐसा कोई अभी बीमारी आ जाए तो वी कैन फाइट इजीली. Okay, now next I'm collecting this butter from the chach, and I will heat on stove with the help of कढ़ाई. So कढ़ाई जो है वो थोड़ा मोटा है. You can see now this rest of it's not a milk, it's छाछ. मैंने बटर को ऊपर से ले लिया, एंड मैं छाछ को भी कलेक्ट कर रही हूँ, क्या पीने के लिए, है ना. नाउ सी आई एम मेकिंग घी. इट्स वेरी इजी प्रोसेस. ओनली 3 days collected malai, how I am making ghee. It's very easy process. Pure ghee. See the color? सोना जैसा, right? So one more thing मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि घी बन जाने के बाद you can see the rest of the, the solid part